So if you're wondering what to do next, drop me a message. Let's have a chat. We work with loads of companies in this position. This is our sweet spot. Most companies need help with system building processes, getting structure in place, getting a strategy that works, utilizing automation, making sure they're digitizing the business fully, not relying on pen and paper. This is what we focus on, and we've had amazing results in doing so. We've seen people growing 4, 5, 6 times in a really short period of time simply from being able to remove those bottlenecks and get a more streamlined growth strategy. Growth is never a straight line. It's always going to kind of go up and down a little bit, but over the long haul, the trajectory should be that it's going up, not kind of stagnating or staying still. And if you're the bottleneck, there's a great chance it's going to be staying still for longer than it should be, and it's going to be stressing you out to the eyeballs. You're not going to have enough time for anything else in your life, and you're going to get to the point where you're so frustrated by your cleaning business that you just don't know what to do with it. Don't get to that position. If you need some help and support, you know where I am. Drop me a message. Let's have a chat.